Let's start off at looking at how privacy laws keep evolving and keep making things more difficult for us in the marketing world and in the analytics world. It started, of course, with the GDPR, the General Data Protection Regulation in the EU, which took effect in 2018 and has spread to other countries like Brazil and cities like Quebec. California came in with a CCPA in 2020. That's been revised to the California Privacy Rights Act, the CPRA. And global data privacy laws and compliance have continued to evolve. And 20 states in the US have implemented data privacy laws of one sort or another. And you can see on this map, there are many that are considering it. I think it'll be a long time before the US gets to kind of a general countrywide privacy like we have with the GDPR. We're going to have to deal with individual variations that different states put up, led by, of course, California, which started this. It's not just the states that are changing, though. It's not just the laws that are changing. The vendors are requiring more. And the first example of a vendor that required more was Consent Mode V2, which is now about almost 2.5 years old. In Consent Mode V1, if somebody rejected cookies, theoretically, if it was implemented well, there would be no traffic going to Google, either to Google Ads or Google Analytics. So Consent Mode V2 started something called cookieless pings, which is used for behavioral modeling, i.e. sessions, page views, and conversion. And basically, it's saying in that advanced mode, if somebody rejects cookies, we are still going to send some traffic information to Google Analytics or Google Ads, but we're not identifying the person, we're not keeping the session information, we're not keeping the client ID, we're just going to use it for behavioral modeling. It was Google's attempt to give you a little bit more information about the people who rejected the cookies. More importantly, Google requires a default consent status to be set up. What they want is that when someone arrives on the website, they want everything to be set to denied by default. Ads would be denied by default. Analytics would be denied by default. This is crucial for Google, for you to send that signal to Google that you have actually set up a default consent status of denied.